Students, greetings from Ensemble. We understand writing an essay is a difficult proposition, more so if it happens to be on an abstract topic. In the coming days, we will pick up a lot of abstract topics as well as other topical essays periodically so that you can enhance your understanding on such topics which require a lot of thinking. These discussions and explanations will help you meet the expectations of UPSC towards you. That is comprehension of the topic, organization of your thoughts, structure of your essay, language, expression, flow of language towards its natural conclusion and introduction. One of the first series happens to be discussion of some abstract topics which have been asked in Mains 2019. We have requested K. Siddhartha sir to guide us to complete this series for the sake of students. And we are very thankful to sir for having taken time to record and provide institute into writing essays.
The one essay that we have been talking about here is courage to accept and dedication to improve are the two keys to success. Now this essay is going to be in the consonance of the tradition that the UPSC has now started following, that is asking its students to write abstract essays. And if you're able to write an abstract essay, then this job is much more difficult, and of course it goes on to be very marks fetching as well. Now to begin with this essay, that is courage to accept and dedication to improve are the two keys to success. What this goes on to show is, and what exactly that we can decipher is, to be successful you have to accept certain type of a change. Now in order to accept certain type of a change, you have to accept certain things. You have to have a courage. Maybe you have made a mistake, you have to accept it. And once you have accepted it, then maybe then or not even without it as well, you must be dedicated to improve yourself, because improvement is a process. Improvement is not exactly, it's an end to something. Improvement is something that you keep on doing it every time. And it goes on to mean every sphere. Most of you younger people go on to know it much better, taking a look at the evolution of the mobile phones, the way that they have improved, the way telecommunication has improved, and the way a lot of other techno gadgets also has improved. What this essay goes on to seek to explain is success, and we are going to be talking about what success is. Success is all about leading your life the way you want to. The only meaning of success is leading your life the way you want to. If you want to lead your life by being powerful, and if you grab power, you are successful. If you want to lead your life by being very famous and you are able to become popular, very successful. If you want to lead your life by being very simple and you are actually able to lead a simple life, then that is successful. If you are able to garner a lot of respectability, and this is what exactly your definition of leading your life is, and you garner respectability, then that is also what is success. So success is all about leading your life the way you want to. There are two components of this success. One of them is personal, and another is going to be societal. That means one for yourself, another to show to the world. You can go on to belong to any of these categories here. Personal success is about satisfaction and happiness. It is going to be imbibed in and enshrined in one's character, one's ethos, and one's self-understanding that is completely untouched by the outside world. Societal satisfaction is all about how societies see you. What exactly is the type of image that you want to have in the society, and whether you are able to have this image in the society or not. The popularity and the respectability that you're going to be getting it. Now, some people can go on to be completely untouched by this popularity and respectability if they are very self-contented. But then, if you want to see yourself popular and maybe respectable, of course, both of them are very different. and both of them do not going to go side by side, do not going to go along with it as well, right? Something that is going to be popular is not, it's very difficult to find respectability, and anything that is going to be having a respectability or a very high degree of it, this doesn't going to become popular at all, because people do not go on to get themselves attached to that component. Other aspect is the reach and ability to influence the government, the people, and coupled with the monetization component. Essentially, the monetization component is what exactly the new youthful community understands itself much better than anyone else right now. That is the earnings that reflects itself in the earnings and the revenue, and which of late has become the most important component and yardstick for measurement of success. So, even on both the fronts, personal improvement as a mark of satisfaction and courage to accept newer circumstances, newer forms, and all of these newer aspects requires some degree of a courage and a dedication to improve. That means you're constantly working on it to wipe out your flaws, to understand yourself better, and to make yourself better and better, because you're competing with yourself is what exactly is a dedication that you put in yourself, and that they are the keys to success.
Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more such updates. Like and share the video and let us know your queries in the comment section below.